In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to build a one-page Squarespace website. To commence this task, you will need to navigate to Squarespace's homepage. Here, you will find an array of options, but specifically, you need to focus on selecting a template for your one-page website. In order to do this, you must visit the Squarespace template library. This library possesses a vast collection of templates, so it can become quite overwhelming. But don't fret. To make this an effortless task, employ the filter function that Squarespace provides. Filter the template sizes by type, and then select the one-page option. Upon narrowing down your choices, have a perusal through the options and settle upon the most suitable template to commence your website design journey. Having selected a template, the next step to undertake is content planning. The content is the crux of your website and contributes to engaging your visitors. It's wise to organize the information, decide upon the pictures you would like to incorporate, as well as chalk out the textual content for your site before you kickstart the editing process. Planning your content beforehand grants you a clear perspective regarding how your website will look and will streamline the following steps considerably. Now, it's time to take the plunge into editing your page. On your website, you will find an Edit button located in the top left corner. Click on this to initiate the editing process. The Edit feature is intuitively designed to make the process as effortless as possible. So even if you are a novice, you will comfortably be able to maneuver around this. The subsequent step is to add and construct sections to your page. Sections are essentially different parts of your web page that can include, for instance, the header, testimonials, information about your business, contact details, and so on. To add a new section, simply click on the Add Section button. From here, you will be presented with an array of pre-built sections like testimonials, or the option to create a blank section in case you desire to start from scratch. Finally, to make your sections informative and engaging, you add different blocks of content. These content blocks can be anything from text, images, videos, to even buttons, offering you a plethora of customization options. Inside a section, click on the Add Block button to add these elements. Remember, each content block should serve a purpose and contribute towards a seamless user experience. There you have it. With these straightforward and simple steps, you possess all the knowledge you need to craft a compelling one-page Squarespace website.